Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. So we're headed down to the shop again this morning. Going to continue working on the MG. I think the plan for today is to cut out that patch for the rear panel, see if I can get it shaped and installed. At least that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do today. You never know. I'm actually pretty excited to work on it, so let's head in.
All right, next piece of the puzzle is building this little patch panel. So let's get to it.
So shortly after the battery died, I ended up calling it a day. I was able to get the rocker panel on the one side, temporarily installed, get the, rear fender patched and put in place. Then I moved into the other side. So as you guys kind of saw, I went ahead and started making that new rocker panel for the driver's side of the car. And hopefully tomorrow I can get that installed. Obviously I've got a bunch of, welding and grinding and things like that to do. But once I get that installed, I'll go ahead and move on and try and get that rear fender on that side patched as well. I think the owner of the car is going to come on Thursday morning to check it out, look at the door gaps, give us approval. So I'm pretty excited about it. I'm really happy about the progress, and I'm having a dang good time, working on it. So, it's all a learning experience, and it's fun. Anyway, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos. Remember, if you enjoy them, hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time.